This video demonstrates how to install overhead piping on a Vacutech vacuum delivery arch system. After the stanchion, arm, and debris separator are in place, plumb the system to the vacuum producer, also called the turbine. Start at the farthest point and work back towards the power equipment. To complete this task, you will need the following items. Before starting, ensure the arch arms have been paralleled. For a video on how to parallel the arch arms, visit vacutechllc.com. Begin by referencing your blueprints for specific piping installation instructions. Prep the sand-tees by installing the chamfered nipples. Use PVC primer and glue provided by Vacutech. Place 2 sand-tees on the debris separators in the space to be piped. Measure the distance between the pipe seats and cut the aluminum pipe to length. Next, remove the second sand-tee. Place a rubber O-ring gasket onto each pipe. Fit the pipe into the sand-tee on the debris separator. Slide the pipe into the sand-tee first, then place onto the outlet of the debris separator. Check the alignment by sighting down the pipe. Adjust if necessary, and hammer into place. Screw the self-tapping screw into the top of the PVC tee and into the pipe. This prevents any slippage. Fit the O-ring snugly against the sand-tee. After you have finished running all piping, securely installed all the PVC, silicone the gaskets into place. Allow the silicone to dry for 10 minutes. Plumb the piping to the separator. Turn the system on and check for leaks. This will be different for each system. Reference the site drawings and call Vacutech if you need assistance. Walk the length of the system listening for any whistling or leaks in any joints. If you find a leak, turn the system off, adjust the fitting if necessary, and re-silicone. Then allow it to dry before turning the system back on. Repeat this check as often as needed until your system runs without leaks. If you have any questions about your Vacutech system, please visit www.vacutechllc.com or call 1-800-917-9444.